guys, what's up? A long time no see. I'm so sorry I haven't been uploading. I've just been super busy with school. I'm almost done with school in like 2 weeks. So after I'm done, I'm gonna be, you know, on my game. I just received my order from Amazon. I just got all the things that I need to make my smoothie. So let me show you guys. Got these, they're just organic old-fashioned oats. These are better than the steel oats because the steel oats will make your smoothie super thick. So these will make your smoothies thick, but it's not as thick as like the steel oats. By the way guys, please ignore my nails. I'm gonna be filming a pamper routine soon. So I'm like letting them like get all ugly so I can show you guys how I fix them. Then I got these measuring cups. I got them in this really pretty red color so it can match my kitchen, my mom's kitchen I should say. So it brings the 1/4 cup, 1/3, half a cup, and then 1 cup. We're gonna be using about this much of oats. Then I got this. So this is basically like a knockoff blender bottle. So basically what it is you put your protein shakes here, and it has measurements. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has the measurements there. It comes with this thing inside. So basically what this does is you just leave it in there and you can shake up your protein shake. Okay guys, so this is my ultimate weight gain smoothie. It's gonna help you reach your calorie goals super fast. Like personally, I'm trying to reach 3,000 calories a day. I really only need 2,500 calories to gain weight, but I'm trying my best to get these gains as quickly as possible. So I'm striving for 3,000 calories a day. So this shake is 1,000 calories, give or take. Okay guys, so for this recipe, you're going to need whole milk. If you guys are vegan or you're lactose intolerant, you can use any type of milk that you want. So you can use almond milk, soy milk, anything that you guys want. Then you're gonna need strawberries. Again, you can substitute all of these fruits that I'm using to whatever you like. You're going to need a cup of oats. So let me share with you guys the actual recipe. So it's 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of strawberries, 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 bananas, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. The 2 cups of milk is 300 calories, the 1 cup of strawberries is 50, the 1 cup of rolled oats is 360 calories depending on what brand you use. The 2 bananas are 210 calories, 2 teaspoons of sugar is 32 calories, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract is 12 calories. So the calories in this is 964. If you add more oats, it'll be more. If you add more strawberries, it'll be more. But you can eat a snack with the smoothie. So for example, my snack would be a cracker with mayo, and that's 70 calories, which totals to 1,034 calories. So you're getting a good amount of calories, a good amount of protein in just one shake that you can drink up really easy. So let me show you guys exactly how to make that. So I have a Ninja Bullet, and this is so helpful. It's really big, and you know, it makes it easy to mix anything. You don't need this exact brand. I mean, you can use just a regular blender, it's all the same. So okay, so before you actually start, what you want to do is you want to grind your oats so that they're going to be really fine. It's going to be almost like a powdery substance, and you won't really feel it in your drink. You know, you don't want to leave the oats like all big like that. You want to actually grind them before, and then you start adding all your fruits. You're going to take your measuring cup and you want 1 cup. So you want to fill that all the way up. And that's 1 cup. So you wanna pour that into your blender or your NutriBullet, whatever you have.
1 eternity later.
You wanna make sure to blend it really good so it's like a powdery substance. Looks like a really just fine powder, kind of almost looks like a protein powder. So we're gonna take 2 bananas, so we want 1 cup of sliced strawberries. So just grab your strawberries, take off the little stem, cut off the top, and now just cut it in half. And place that into your measuring cup like this. So I think we're good. This is about 1 cup of great, I dropped one. Oh my gosh, I dropped one. So we're gonna add 1 cup. And another cup. Now you want to add your vanilla extract and your sugar and ice, and then you're done. So we're going to use about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is Dominican style vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. So now you just want to pour it into whatever bottle you use or whatever cup. So I'm using this blender bottle type of thing. So it comes with this little thing. And basically you can put this in your cup. And once you pour your smoothie, you can blend it, and it helps blend it super easy. So you want to drink this entire thing. I don't think there's going to be, oh, there's still some left. So you want to drink whatever you can fit into your bottle, and then whatever is left. So we're back in my room. Sorry this video is like a little all over the place, but let's taste it. Let's see how it tastes. It's actually really, really good. You can definitely taste the oatmeal. Like, it's a very, not crunchy, but like when you drink it, you definitely need to chew a little bit. But it's nothing like out of this world. I actually think it tastes pretty good. My only thing is I think I put too much banana. If you're a big fan of banana, by all means add even more bananas if you want to, but I'm not so much of a fan of bananas. I like strawberries more, but bananas is what has all those calories. So I think if I were to redo this, even though it'll be less than 1,000 calories, I think I would much rather put more strawberries and just 1 banana instead of 2 bananas and 1 cup of strawberries, because I could barely taste the strawberries, but it tastes really, really, really good. I'm telling you guys, like, I've never had a protein or a weight gain shake that I actually liked, and this tastes really, really yummy. So if you guys make this, please let me know how it went in the comments down below. Remember that you guys can make it however you want. You can use blueberries, strawberries, banana, mangoes, anything that you want. Just be sure to count the calories so that you know it's 1,000 or at least close to 1,000, because that would definitely help you with your weight gain journey. Let's say if you have to eat 3,000 calories and you get 900 calories from a shake, that really, really helps you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys